What's up everybody, this is Jack from Crypto49er, bringing you on my journey into cryptocurrency. For those that don't know, I give away a 0.1 Litecoin to a random commenter of yesterday's video. The only request is the comments related to something you learned about cryptocurrency today from anywhere on the web. Let's get started. And the winner is Tom Sawyer. Do you need to be an American citizen to use GDAX? No, GDAX, let me just double check here real quick. I have GDAX open now. I'm going to show you guys in a bit. So you have USD and Euro and British Pound. So basically, Tom Sawyer, you only have three choices. So basically, you gotta be either an American citizen or a European citizen. So that's pretty much it. I think they might accept other countries, but for the most part, those two are the main two places that you can use GDAX. And again, wherever you can use Coinbase, you can use GDAX. So definitely take advantage of that. Alright, Tom, let me give you a 0.1 Litecoin. Alright, congratulations, Tom. You got your 0.1 Litecoin. On to today's topic. So today I want to talk to you guys about scalps trading. So scalps trading, as defined on the first definition that Google pulls up, is a trading style that specializes in taking profit on small price changes, generally soon after the trade has been entered and has become profitable. It requires a trader to have a strict exit strategy because one large loss could eliminate the many small gains that the trader has worked to obtain. So why am I bringing up scalps trading today? I probably mentioned it offhand several days ago. The main thing is because if you look at the market today, it's generally been down, but it's been kind of hanging around at this price point. Bitcoin's been around there between around 13,000, 14,000, so on and so forth. If I pull up the close-up view of the 7-day chart, you can see we were at the peak is around 19,000 and change, and now we slowly fell down, fall, until we crashed down to almost 11,833, and then we went back up, and then we kind of come back down. So right now we're around 13,000 and change. My expectation right now is the price of Bitcoin is gonna be like this between 12,000 to 16,000 all the way through past Christmas. And once we get past Christmas, hopefully, I'm hoping that we'll slowly creep back up, and then by year's end, we would end around 17,000 to 18,000. That's my hope. I mean, we'll see actually what happens. So right now, why not bring up scalps trading? I'm gonna scalp trade on GDAX for the next couple of days while the price is gonna just fluctuate around this channel between 12,000 to 16,000. This is the one-day chart of Bitcoin. So the idea of scalps trading again is that you have to believe there's a certain channel that Bitcoin's gonna be bouncing around at. And for me, I believe right now it's between 12,000 to 16,000, which is not shown in this chart here. If you bought anywhere except for here, perhaps, unless you bought it really up here at 14,488, then because at no point then you can actually sell it back out. So the idea is hopefully during the day you buy at a point when it's not super high. The perfect position is to buy at the lowest point in the day, which in this case was 12,807. If you bought at that point in time, and you could have sold it anywhere from 13,728 or anywhere basically, even here, but you wouldn't make so much. So that's the idea. So you just want to make sure that you buy it anywhere in between that channel and be able to sell it for a small gain, and then repeat the process. So as soon as you sell it here, you want to look for the next low point, which will be here, and you'll be buy up here again. And that's the idea of scalps trading, to just be able to buy at a low point in the day, sell it, repeat the process over and over again as many times as possible. So you might think, wouldn't they be concerned that if you buy at, let's say for example, at 14,488 and it never goes down, then you're screwed? Well, technically not, because as long as you believe, and I believe, I personally believe that Bitcoin price will eventually go up, buying at a higher price, so-called quote-unquote high price of the day, it really doesn't hurt us at all. You'd still be buying it at a discount compared to when it was at 19,000 4 or 5 days ago. The only downside of scalps trading is this actually, is the reverse. Is that you're able to buy it at a low point, sell it at a high point, and never see it come back down again. And that's what happened to me when I did scalps trading with Litecoin back when it was less than $100. So they would buy at a low point, sell at a high point, and I did it probably like 4 or 5 times, and then I think the last time I sold it around $100, 101 even, and next thing you know, it just flew up to $200, and I was never able to get it at a lower price again. So That's the only downside with scalps trading. So right now I'm just gonna do some limit trade right now. I'm just gonna buy some small amount. Let's just say I'm gonna buy 0.01 and make it 0.2. Okay? So a little bit less than $300 worth. I don't even think I placed a buy order. It wouldn't let me. Watch what happens. Oh, they rejected. Cannot place order at 13.822 because the price has moved against me. So I click the new price and buy here, then it will be open and then it will see if it fills. Okay, so that's the problem with well, first of all, let me explain before. So the reason why my trade got rejected on GDAX was because I tried to buy at a price point that was higher than the order book was allowed. So I was trying to buy directly from the sell orders, and GDAX does not allow you to do that. Other platforms might let you do that, but definitely not GDAX. So anyway, so right now you see my trades over here. I made a new trade at 13.821.72, and then along with other people, all got filled. So this got filled. So it takes a couple of minutes usually for that to happen. Right now with the 0.02 Bitcoin I bought, I'm gonna set in a sell order. So right now the price has moved against me. It went down, which is fine because I'm not planning to sell at a low price. Obviously, that would be a loss of money. What I'm just trying to do is sell my Bitcoin at, let's say, 14,000. Right now it might even have trouble moving past that. I'm just gonna make it a little bit less. So 13. So right now I'll set it to 13,998, and we'll see what happens. So we're just gonna hang out here for a long time because it's not gonna go back up to that price point right away. So, and you see the little marker here. So I paid $276 to buy those 0.02 Bitcoins. At no fee, obviously, because it limits buy order on GDAX. So I'm gonna set a new sell, because I'm gonna make only $3 for that one. I'm gonna set it to a little bit higher. So I'm gonna set it to 14,500. Nah, it's still too even. You want some random number, so like 399. Again, I bought it at 13,821.72 times 0.02. So I would spend $276. So $276, and then if I sell it at 14399 times 0.02, 287. So I made about 20 bucks. So that's basically it. That's what scalps trading is about. You're hoping that they will fill that price point, and then when it tanks back down again, you redo the process. Basically, this is just like trading within that channel. So you're making very small gains. In this case, only 20 bucks. I'm not risking a lot either, so that's the point of scalps trading. I'm just taking advantage of the fact that Bitcoin's gonna be moving sideways in the next 4 or 5 days, I would expect. At least 3 or 4 days, if not 4 or 5 days. The next 3 or 4 days. If it goes up, I will make a small profit. And if it goes down, I don't really mind because I didn't really buy that much into it. I think I was able to make about like $100 off of Litecoin by buying it at 97, selling it at 100, and Litecoin I was able to buy a much larger position because Litecoin was a lot cheaper. And I repeat the process over and over again until I made $100. Wasn't much, but hey, $100, I'll take it. So that's the game plan right now. Same thing with Bitcoin, just gonna be buying and selling within that channel, and hopefully it makes something out of it. That's my video for today, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for post notifications. If it isn't crypto, it isn't worth mining, it isn't worth speculating. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.